Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is account executive. Account executive. Account executive. Account executive is a job title typically found in sales and marketing roles. An account executive is responsible for managing relationships with clients or accounts, ensuring their needs are met, and promoting products or services. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Account executives are crucial for ensuring high levels of client satisfaction. Why account executive is used in example number 1. This example highlights the importance of account executives in ensuring that clients are satisfied with the products or services they receive, as they are the primary point of contact. Example number 2. John is an account executive at XYZ company, where he manages a portfolio of clients. Why account executive is used in example number 2. Account executive is used to describe John's role at the company. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.